Salam and Ramadan Kareem to all. This is FBA Fadime Banu Akbez. Please call me Banu. Let's get to my exclusive weekly technical analysis in order of dollar Turkish lira, euro dollar, gold, Bitcoin, and Ether. Last week, the dollar against Turkish lira increased as we expected and made new historical high at 19.24 level. This week, if it's above 19, it may break 19.25, 19.29 tight range. Then it shall try 19.44, 19.64 area on its way to our second famous target at 26.97. The support is at 18.93, 18.84 range. Is it too expensive yet heading to our target? Last week, the euro against the dollar increased as we expected. This week, if it stays above 1.0758, it might break 1.08 to try 1.0930 resistance again. Here is a very important level since it's the upper side of the narrowing triangle pattern. This is why it shall hit back towards the lower side of the narrowing triangle pattern around 1.05. Otherwise, a rally to 1.1032, 1.1053 range won't be surprising, especially on its way to our 1.2011 target. By the way, if you don't know what the narrowing triangle pattern is, please check the end of this video. Will the rally be with or without a correction? Last week, the gold increased and made high at 2010 and then turned until 1934 when we were expecting it to try 2022-2027 range to turn from and then go towards 1925-1900 area. This week, if it's above 1974-1979 range, it may break 1998-2015 area. Then it shall try 2050 on its way to our 2535 target. The support is at 1925 level. Last week being the halfway signal, will it make a rally to 2118 level? Last week, Bitcoin increased and then turned from 28,920 level when we were expecting it to try 28,300 level. It also made a doji formation. By the way, if you don't know what the doji formation is, please check the end of this video. This week, if it's below 27,700 level, it shall break 26,500, 26,000 range, and then it may try 25,250 support. The resistance is at 28,190, 28,890 area. Where will be the last dive before the rally starts above 100,000? Last week, Ether increased and then turned as we expected. This week, if it's below 1,776, 1,756 range, it may break 1,675 support, and then it shall try 1,609, 1,545 area. The resistance is at 1,838, 1,852 range. Where will be the last dive before the rally starts towards 9,000? Thanks for watching. Let me ask you something. 90% of my viewers are not subscribed. I'm happy to share my exclusive analysis for free on a weekly basis, and I hope you benefit. Do I do anything wrong? If so, please share on your comments so I can update myself, and I'm looking forward to hear from you. And if not, I need your support to reach more people, and you can do this just by subscribing, sharing, liking, and setting the reminder for the upcoming, especially for the premieres on Sundays at midnight. So you can do all these to support me for free. On the other hand, the analysis is now in 20 languages with 18 subtitles, and the list of these languages is on below description. Let me know if you need further subtitles. And don't forget, I was requested to clarify the basic terms I use on my videos, like some pattern formation that I just mentioned this week. They're already on my Instagram stories, and these stories are on my highlights named as term on my profile, so keep up with them. Finally, I would kindly like to remind you the devastating 2 earthquakes in Türkiye. They were in just between 9 hours, and both of them were over 7.5 magnitude. Please continue donating and praying for Türkiye. You can find a link of my video that has brief information and how you can donate on below description. Thanks in advance. Bye.